And rallies also happening across the state, as we've seen as well.
Including in South Orange tonight. That's where we find News 12 New Jersey's Chris Keating. Chris?
Kirk, good evening. As was just mentioned, here in New Jersey, a woman's right to have an abortion will still be protected in spite of this Supreme Court ruling. However, women in at least 23 states all around the nation will lose that right under this Supreme Court ruling. So this rally here in South Orange today was seen as a way to stand in solidarity with those who are losing this very important freedom.
We won't go back! We won't go back!
This crowd was loud and angered that the right of a woman to make her own decision on whether or not to carry a child is being taken away.
This decision is about control of our bodies.
This was also a rally cry for action. Their target, the midterm elections in November, with the goal of ensuring those who support abortion rights move into power within Congress.
This is not over, Clarence Thomas. This is not over, Neil Gorsuch and Samuel Alito and Amy Coney Barrett. And this is definitely not over, Brett Kavanaugh. We will hold these supposed justices accountable for this grave act of injustice.
What are we going to do? And so that means elections matter. Voting matters. And our relatives, as we talk about how progressive New Jersey is, we need to make sure it remains progressive, but we have to call our relatives all over the country and make sure they're fighting for the same things we're fighting for.
Now that the Supreme Court has overturned a ruling that stood since 1973, there are concerns as to what will happen next. That women from states such as Texas, Mississippi, Idaho, or Kentucky, among others, where bans are expected, will start traveling across state lines to have an abortion.
People are going to die because of what was an intellectual exercise by some Supreme Court justices who think that they can decide what it means to be human.
New Jersey will be seen as one of those safe havens for women in need.
Tonight, we come together in love and solidarity for you.
Now, going forward, the laws here in New Jersey could potentially be expanded to help those women in need from other states, especially those who don't have health insurance and perhaps can't afford an abortion. Right now, in the State Assembly here in New Jersey and in the State Senate, there are bills under consideration. In South Orange tonight, I'm Chris Keating, News 12 New Jersey.
All right, Chris, thank you tonight.